So, hello, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, my fellow creative designers and content creators. Welcome once again to another exciting episode on this channel. And guys, as I said, we are still on our 21 days graphic design training course, and we are using PixelLab. Yes, we are using PixelLab. But one thing is that when you go to the PixelLab, you want to go to the font area. PixelLab already come with a preset font. A preset font simply means the font that they use it to do the app. When they were doing the app, already installed fonts in their system. And that type of font or those type of fonts are not enough. If you look at it, they are not enough at all. Therefore, we need to find ways and means to install our own font. Yes, to install our own font. How do you do that? If you check here, you have realized that I've installed my font. I've installed a couple of fonts. And guys, how did I do this? How did I do this? This is what you are coming to learn. So please stick around and let's do it together. So please quickly go to any of your browsers. Yes, go to any of your browsers. So I'll quickly come to my browser and then come and type the font, F-O-N-T, dafont.com. Perfect. Now click on enter. Yes, then this is the website where graphic designers download numerous thousands of fonts. This websites give you a different types of font known as what? Fancy, foreign look, techno, gothic, basic, script. Oh, please, there are many. Now, if you look at this side, it tells you the recent added font. Simply means these are the new fonts they have designed or they have created and they have added them here. If you go to this side, you will see more over there. Yes, you will see more. You see more. Let me turn it to this way. Then you can see more. You can see more. So if you go to view all new fonts, yes, view all new fonts. These are new fonts that has been added. Yes, these are new fonts that has been added. Yes, and any way around that you want to download any of them. For example, I want to download, maybe let me go up and go and see something or one that I want to use it to design. Or now let's see which one. I want us to check this one out. MJ type Wallef Cake. Yes, Wallef Cake font. So if you get the one you want to download, then quickly click on this download. Yes, click on this download. Then you realize that it has downloaded into your folder. Yes, it has downloaded into your folder. And then in order to extract it, you need a third-party application. Yes, you need a third-party application. So quickly go to your Google Play Store. Yes, quickly go to your Google Play Store. Where is my Google Play Store? And go and search for this font. Go and search for this font. Z Archiver. Yes, Z Archiver. And this is it. Yes, install this one. Yes, install this one. If you go and install a different type and you are facing problems, I may not know how to help you. Install the one that comes with the green background. Yes, install that one. So if you install it successfully, then come and open that app in which you have installed on your phone. Come and open it. Yes, let me go here. Come and open it. Sorry. Go here and go and open the Z Archiver. Perfect. Now, if you open the Z Archiver like this, because I've already downloaded and installed it, now click on this three dots and click on this plus to create a folder. Yes, create new folder. When you create the new folder, name it font. Name it font and name it the font you are naming. Name it small letters. Okay, name it small letters. And then once you are done, go to the download. Yes, or you can even create the folder at the side. You can create the folder at the side, or you can go to the plus and create the folder and name it font, because I've already named my own font. Yes, so it's here. Now the new font that you have downloaded, what was the name? Wella Cake. Yes, this is it. Wella Cake. Then extract this side. You have seen extract. Don't do it extract here. Don't do extract to. archiver name, go to the extract one. Yes, extract. Then click on it. Then locate the new folder you created, the new folder you name fonts. Yes, locate that one, tap on it, and then you see this drop arrow over here. Click on it, and then successfully the thing has been installed in your PixelLab. Then quickly come to your PixelLab. Come to your PixelLab, or let me quickly go to my PixelLab, and then let's go and check. Now that if everything is successfully, you created a folder, then come to my font side, then go to my font. Yes, go to my font, and you have seen that this arrow, this first one, second one. For the first one, it means you are uploading a single font. For the second one, it means you are uploading a bulk font. There are sometimes the fonts are not in single, they are plenty. Therefore, if they are plenty, click on the second one, and then look for your downloads. Yes, look for your download. And then the font that you picked, yes, Mango Regular, assuming that you pick this Mango Regular, click on it, and then click on it to select it, and then add directory. Then it will be added into your font. So even once you created a folder and you pick it, you extract it into the folder you created, automatically it will appear here. That is why my font, even though I didn't upload it, but it has come here. So you see all these ones are as new font that I have downloaded and installed in my system. Then you can use them. Yes, you can use them. Sometimes you may need an external or extra font to be able to create the professional logo or maybe design that you want. So you see this one, if I click on this one and I scale it up, or I just make it bold, I can even edit some parts, I can even edit some parts of the font and then make it a logo. Yes, if you see here, you are seeing this E. It's very nice. So I prefer this E. Then I go here and see this. Guys, see this? Very perfect. If you scale it up, it's very perfect. Very perfect. Very perfect. You can even use this one as a logo. You can even tilt it this way. Yes, you can even tilt it this way and make it as a logo for your client. Yes, just change the shape, the color, and then just turn it into something new. Yeah, turn it to something new. Perfect. And then you can even put some circles. You can even put some circles on it. Go here, go to this side, opacity 0, goes to stroke, and then set a stroke to maybe 40 or 35, maybe 40 will be okay. And then scale it up, and then put it over there. Perfect, 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 perfect. Guys, what do you think? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? You can even match the two together. Yes, let's go and match the two together so you can have a single one and then center and align it. Perfect, guys. This is awesome. This is awesome. This is awesome. This is awesome. Even if somebody look at this, they might think that you design everything from scratch, but not knowing you just use a letters, a font, and just a few shape of it, and then you are gone. Please subscribe to this channel, like and share, because I have a lot of good things for you. Check another description. I have a lot of font pack in which you can download them and extract them and use it for free. Please subscribe to this channel again, and then comment, subscribe, like, share, comment, and then please press on the notification bell icon so that you receive any update. If you press on the notification bell icon, press for all notification. In that doing, if I upload any video, any tutorial, you will be the first person to get it and watch and then practice and then put it on the social media handles, or you can send it to me and let's discuss it. I love you. I'll see you in the next tutorials. Bye for now.